Hi friends, this is your Wasim from Rhino Club. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. The philosophy of this martial art is no winner, no loser and no fighting. Rather than goal is to become strong. This martial art is known as non-violence and the modern martial art of Japan. The fundamental of this martial art is breaking the control, throwing and locking. The basic two things have been followed in this martial art. One is timing, another is technique. This martial art is not to correct others but to correct the own self, and it doesn't allow the person to kick or punch. The founder of this martial art in his young age, he have learned the three things. One is sumo, swimming and wrestling. His grandfather was a great samurai well known as Kichimon. In 1903, he tried to clear the physical examination for the army test. Unfortunately, he have unsucceeded due to his shortness. But he want to join in the army, so what he did was he stretched his vertebrate column by hanging upside down from the tree, and he succeeded and he passed the examination. In the year 1904, he took part in Russia-Japanese war. In 1907, he moved away from that place and he traveled to another place where he met a master Shakuka and he became his student. And over there, he learned a martial art known as Daitoryu Aki Jujutsu. After a long time of learning it, he was certified as a master. He used to teach to the many students in Japan. In the year 1919, he met with a spiritual leader, Motoku. After that, he got the opportunity of visiting the China for 2 times just to observe the martial art, and he wanted to teach the same kind of martial art to his students. After that, his martial art was becoming famous in the year 1920s and 1930s. In the year 1942, he gave a special name for this particular martial art. His martial art have 200 well-developed techniques with the names and 10,000 techniques without the names. In 1951, all over the country started to see this martial art and they want to adapt this system. Right now, all over the world, many of them are practicing especially this martial art. This martial art was named as Aikido, the way combining of this energy, and the founder of this martial art is Ueshiba Morei. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.